morning, class 10. Today, Baisakh 19. So, this is perhaps third class in virtual media, that is online class. I am sitting in my room and you are sitting in your room. So, let us discuss today some typical questions and their solutions that is related to multiple angle formulas. So yesterday also I had given you some solutions. So today I am giving you some more. So with the help of these solutions, you can solve the homeworks that I had given you in previous class. So today I will not be giving you further homework because I know the questions that I had given, that is all are not easy. You have to uh, try your level best, and you can get proper hints by seeing the solution of the questions that are being given today. So thank you very much for joining the class. So let us begin. First question: cos square alpha plus sin square alpha into cos 2 beta equal to cos square beta plus sin square beta into cos 2 alpha. This is very means all the questions that are solved today, they are very typical and popular questions for examination. So let us begin. LHS: cos square alpha plus sin square alpha into cos 2 beta. So you mind the cursor movement. Okay. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is intact, but cos 2 beta is converted into 1 minus 2 sin square beta. Now open this bracket. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha into 1 plus sin square alpha minus 2 sin square beta. After multiplication it becomes minus 2 sin square alpha sin square beta. Now next step, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. So 1 minus 2 sin square alpha sin square beta. And now 1 can be written as cos square beta plus sin square beta, because this formula is independent of angle. Whether it is alpha, beta, A, B, C, D, or anything, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So 1 can be written as cos square beta plus sin square beta, and this part is same as before. Now in next step, keep cos square beta intact. From next two terms, take sin square beta common. It will be 1 minus 2 sin square alpha in the bracket, and you know 1 minus 2 sin square alpha, it is cos 2 alpha. So what is left with us? Cos square beta plus sin square beta into cos 2 alpha. That is RHS. Now see here. There are multiple levels of root. Root, under root, again under 4 levels of a square root. And in the innermost root there is 2 plus 2 cos 16 theta equal to 2 cos theta. So this type of questions should be solved, should be attempted from innermost root. See, the LHS, first, second, third root is same. In innermost root, what is there? 2 plus 2 cos 16 theta. So we take 2 common. It becomes 1 plus cos 16 theta. And you know 16 theta means 2 into 8 theta. So you will apply formula of 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos 2a is 2 cos square a. So see, only focus on this innermost root. Here this 2 is carried here, and 1 plus cos 16 theta becomes 2 cos square 8 theta. Now 2 to the 4 cos square 8 theta. So if you will take square root of that, 4 becomes 2. Cos square 8 theta becomes cos 8 theta. Now at this step 1, 2, only 3 levels of root are left. Now you again in the innermost root you apply same technique that we have applied here. 2 common, so 1 plus cos 8 theta. 8 theta is 2 into 4 theta. So 1 plus cos 2 into 4 theta, it becomes 2 cos square 4 theta. This 2 is carried here. 2 2s are 4. So again take a square root. A square root of 4 is 2. A square root of cos square 4 theta is cos 4 theta. So now here you have only 2 levels of root. So again in inner root 2 take 2 common. So it is written here 2 1 plus cos 4 theta. 1 plus cos 4 theta, 4 theta is double of 2 theta. Same technique again. 2 carried forward and 1 plus cos 4 theta is 2 cos square 2 theta. So again 2 to the 4 is while taking a square root it will become 2 and cos square 2 theta will become cos 2 theta. So only now final root is left. Take 2 common, 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. Now it is 4 cos square theta under square root. So finally you have cos 2 cos theta, that is RHS. So if you have confusion, you repeat this video and watch again. Now next example. Prove that 1 by tan 3a minus tan a minus 1 by cot 3a minus cot a equal to cot 2a. So, you know, this type of questions can be done in many other ways, like converting tan 3a as sin 3a by cos 3a, tan a as sin a by cos a. In the same way, converting cot 3a and cot a in cos a and sin a, cos 3a, sin 3a. That way also it can be solved, but I have followed one method. So you see this. I hope you will understand. First part on change. Second part cot 3a as 1 by tan 3a and cot a as 1 by tan. Now here also first part is same, no change. Second part 1 by, take LCM here in denominator, tan 3a into tan a is LCM. So it will be tan a minus tan 3a. So in next step, 1, 2, 3 step fraction. So third step will jump to numerator. It will become tan 3a into tan a upon tan a minus tan 3a. Now see, left side denominator is tan 3a minus tan a, right side denominator is tan a minus tan 3a. Combination is same but sign is opposite. So what technique we apply here? We change the sign. Tan a minus tan 3a, we write tan 3a minus tan a and change this minus into plus. Now both the denominator are same, so take LCM. Numerator will be 1 plus tan 3a tan a, denominator tan 3a minus tan a. So now numerator you take it down to third step. So it will be 1 by tan 3a minus tan a. This top will come at down, bottom. 1 plus tan 3a into tan a. So this portion, denominator, 2 steps, it attracts one formula. Recall tan a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So if we will apply that formula, it will be tan 3a minus a. And you know tan 3a minus a is tan 2a. So 1 by tan 2a is finally cot 2a. So this is RHS. So here also, if you have problem, you repeat the video. Now, fourth question. This is also to prove 4 bracket cos cube 20 degree plus cos cube 40 degree equal to 3 cos 20 degree plus cos 40 degree in bracket. So let us begin from LHS. 4 cos cube 20 degree plus cos cube 40 degree equal to 4 remove bracket, multiply 4 to either terms, it becomes like this. Now here at this juncture we apply formula of cos 3a in modified way. What is the formula of cos 3a? Cos 3a equal to 4 cos qa minus 3 cos a. Is it? So from there 4 cos qa, it will be cos 3a plus 3 cos a. Cos 3, or you can say 3 cos a plus cos 3a. So you apply that 4 cos qa equal to 3 cos a plus cos 3a. Here also 4 cos qa equal to 3 cos a plus cos 3a. Here first part a means 20, second part b means 40 degree. Now move forward. 3 cos 20 degree, cos 3 into 20 means 60, 3 into 40 means 120. You know cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, or cos 120 degree will be minus 1 by 2. So plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cancelled. What is left? 3 cos 20 degree plus 3 cos 40 degree. Take 3 common, that is RHS. Finished. Now see this question. This is very typical question. And if you forget the trick, it is very difficult to solve. If you remember trick, then it will go easily. So this is a long solution. Tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. So we will solve it from tail back side. See the next step, tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus cot 8 theta. Will write 8 by tan 8 theta, but 8 will write 2 into 4 theta, tan 2 into 4 theta. And you know tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan a square a. So it will be 8 by 2 tan 4 theta by 1 minus tan a square 4 theta. So 1, 2, 3 steps are there. So in next step, down 1 will jump up 8 into this 1 minus tan a square 4 theta by this 2 tan 4 theta. Now at this point we will add this last term and second last term by taking LCM. See, first two terms are same. Take LCM between these two terms. LCM is 2 tan 4 theta. So this into this will 4 to the 8 tan square 4 theta. Here it will be remove bracket 8 1 the 8 minus 8 tan square 4 theta. So this 8 tan square 4 theta got cancelled. You have 8 by 2 tan 4 theta. So you can reduce 2 4 the 8. So I have here I have written 4 by 4 means it will be 4 by tan 4 theta. The tan 4 theta again same previous technique. 4 theta means 2 into 2 theta. So it will be 2 tan 2 theta by 1 minus tan square 2 theta. So this 2 to the 4, here only I have reduced. This will go jump up 2 into 1 minus tan square 2 theta by this tan 2 theta. Now again take LCM of this second term and third term. Technique is before, only angles are changing. Tan 2 theta is LCM, 2 tan square theta, 2 theta plus here remove bracket 2 minus 2 tan square theta, 2 tan square theta cancelled, 2 by tan 2 theta. So 2 by tan 2 theta will write 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So here one step is missing, so you can understand 2 to cancel, it will jump up, means 1 minus tan square theta by tan theta. 1 here numerator here, what is hidden here? 1 minus tan square theta by tan theta, because 2 got cancelled. And then take LCM tan theta. So this denominator tan theta into tan theta is become tan square theta, and this 1 minus tan square theta will go up. Tan square theta cancelled. 1 by tan theta is cot theta. Is it? So if you have difficulty, you repeat the video. Now last solution for today. Let me zoom slightly. This is also very typical question. So here also you have to practice again and again and remember the technique. 2 sin theta by cos 3 theta plus 2 sin 3 theta by cos 9 theta plus 2 sin 9 theta by cos 27 theta. This sum has to be proved equal to tan 27 theta minus tan theta. Let us begin with LHS. See, which angle sine is there? Same angles cos you multiply in numerator and denominator. In first term, 2 sin theta cos theta by cos 3 theta into cos theta. So we have multiplied numerator and denominator by cos theta. Here second cos we have multiplied by cos 3 theta in numerator and denominator. Here cos 9 theta. Is it? Only that change is there. Now move next. 2 sin a cos a is sin 2a, so you can write 2 sin theta. Here 2 sin 6 theta, double of 3 theta, double of 9 theta is 18 theta. So sin 2 theta, sin 6 theta, sin 18 theta. Denominators are same as previous step. Now sin 2 theta can be written as 3 theta minus theta. 6 theta can be written as 9 theta minus 3 theta. And 18 theta can be written as 27 theta minus 9 theta. Now apply sin a minus b formula in all numerators. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Here also same formula. Now every fraction you break into two parts from this minus sign. So see here sin 3 theta cos theta by cos 3 theta cos theta. This part with minus sign, cos 3 theta sin theta divided by cos 3 theta cos theta. Here also accordingly you break down. Here also you break down. In now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So in every part one section will get cancelled. Here cos theta got cancelled. Here cos 3 theta got cancelled. Here cos 3 theta got cancelled. Here cos 9 theta got cancelled. Here also cos 9 theta got cancelled. Here cos 27 theta got cancelled. So what is left here? Tan 3 theta. What is left here? Tan theta. What is left here? Tan 9 theta. What is left here? Sin tan 3 theta. What is left here? Tan 27 theta. What is left here? Tan 9 theta with minus sign. You know, plus minus plus minus plus. You see, out of these 6, 4 will get cancelled, 2 will be left. Tan 27 theta plus positive with positive sign and tan theta with negative sign. So finally you have tan 27 theta minus tan theta. This is RSS. So I hope you have understood the solution. You have enjoyed the online class, and I hope you all are safe, all are healthy. Enjoy the lockdown period with creativity. Be creative. You are in class 10 now, so there is much responsibility upon you. Class 10 will open the door of your future career. So don't divert your brain. Be attentive to your classes and join every day. And I have given you homeworks. Try to solve those homeworks and try to, if any particular question is difficult, you ask me the query, which question you could not do. Give the question number, give question also, because we are not physically together. So only if you say I don't know 9a, then I will not understand. So you write that question also. which 9a. Okay, so bye for today. Tomorrow there is no Saturday Sunday in virtual class, so I may give you class tomorrow also. So I'll keep you informed through WhatsApp group and through other means. Thank you very much and bye. Have a nice day.